Welcome everybody to the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. I'm Rivky Kleiman, and today we're going to be making oven southern fried chicken from my cookbook, Simply Gourmet. First thing we're going to need is, of course, our chicken drumsticks. Now, of course, you can do this with any piece of chicken. You will just have to adjust your cooking time. Preheat your oven to 400 and follow along. We're going to make our flour coating. We'll put in our flour, paprika, some chili powder, turmeric, some black pepper, a bit of garlic powder, a little bit of kosher salt. You're going to give it a little shake it. And the next thing we're going to do is prepare our wet, where we have our eggs, a little bit of mustard, and then we're going to add a little bit of hot sauce. Get crazy. For those of you that like it less, you can put a little bit less. We're going to take one of our drumsticks. Actually, you can really throw them all in. That's the truth. I'm going to show you how you can do it with all of them. Shake it up real good. Now, if you were working with 2 bowls, I personally like this bag because it just helps out. But I like to use one hand for the wet and one hand I like to keep for the dry. So we're going to give it another shake it. And dump it a second time. Okay, great. I'm going to clean this up. We're going to coat it and get it ready to go in the oven. Wasn't that simple? I melted some margarine, and I'm going to pour the margarine over each one of our legs. We're actually going to refrigerate it when we're done. Our chicken is ready to go. It's coated, and then on top of that, we topped it with our melted margarine. We're going to put it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes at least, or overnight if you want to prepare tomorrow's dinner in advance. What we're doing in this process is we want it to completely get cold, harden up, tighten up all the fibers of this chicken so that when we bake it, when we're ready, the margarine will melt and slowly oven crisp up this chicken as if it was deep fried. It's minus the oil, minus the calorie, equal in taste. I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 before I take it out of the refrigerator, and then we will bake our chicken on 400 for 45 to 50 minutes. Oven southern fried chicken ready to go. It baked in our oven for 45 to 50 minutes on 400, and then, moment of truth. Did you see how we just went in so soft? What an explosion of flavors. Find me another southern fried chicken that's got this much flavor. And there you have it. Oven southern fried chicken, brought to you by Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. Tune in next Sunday at 2 o'clock Eastern Time for our next video drop. I'm Rivky Kleiman, and it's been a pleasure cooking with you today.